Here we go. We are out here today in the world's greatest store, Target. And I noticed that this Target is white logo. What does that mean? Aren't they usually red? Leave it in the comments below if they're usually red. And we got a beautiful little comment here from DCM Faldrim. Plunger shoes next. Plunger shoes. So I saw that comment, I was like, what does it mean? How does it work? Is it possible? We're gonna find out. So we're gonna go into Target and we're gonna buy some plungers and we're gonna make them into shoes. We might need to buy shoes too. And I probably need to bring my wallet. I'm thinking 2 plungers on 1 shoe. You think that's good?
Yeah.
Maybe 3 even.
Depends on the size of the plunge.
Yeah, let's check out the plunge. For all you gamer fans out there, I started playing Elden Ring last night. Best game ever. Uzi said, it's too hard. He said he bought it and he started playing it and he died so many times that he literally returned the game and said that he bought it on accident. I was like, dude, blowing it. Okay, well, Target apparently does not like us filming. So we had to roll into here and see what we got. We had to go down low into the aisle. I'm thinking this might be some kind of a beautiful...
It's gotta be like 40 bucks. Yeah, that's $18.
What is this one? Oh, it has both the scrubber and the... I was like, dang, 2 for 1? This is $10. But the question is, how do you... Oh, does this thing screw off? Yeah, it does. Probably should have went to the dollar store. So I guess, dude, they don't even, oh no, I guess they do have 4. We should have got a cart. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yeah, see?
So look at also the size of it.
Oh yeah, you can for sure fit 2 on there. Absolutely.
What do people think about you when you go to the store and you buy 4 plungers at a time? You're like, oh, it was a really rough night last night.
Maybe you own a hotel.
Maybe. Or maybe you just take really big, should we buy some laxatives just to look funny while we're checking out?
We're gonna go incognito again. Let's go.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
We'll see them back at the warehouse.
We'll see you back at the warehouse. Will we?
I think so.
They done kicked us out. They said no filming in Target. I said, sir, this is where I live. Well, we did get 4 plungers. Now we are ready to go into plunger shoes. There's nothing better in the whole world than plunger shoes.
Would you say the security guards really clogged our plans?
Yeah, he was really putting a pooper on it.
Dang.
Too far. Plunger shoes, how will it work? Okay, so we just got to the Braille house and it is freezing. But look at this beautiful plunger. Everything you ever wanted, needed, or maybe even didn't need is available right now at brailleskateboarding.com. So I was looking for some shoes and Chloe was here and she was like, this is all I got. And I was like, Chloe, we cannot wreck this beautiful brand new pair of Braille shoes just to put plungers on the bottom. And she was like, well, that's all we got. I feel like this is gonna,
Chloe is no longer with us.
That's not true, Chloe's in the back. But man, I like these shoes. This is my favorite colorway. When plungers call, you gotta plunger it up.
What's your strategy here? How are you gonna attach them?
Well, I think that we need some kind of a washer on the inside.
Yes.
And
oh,
then,
why is it wet? It's dripping water.
Where?
Look.
I mean, it's fresh out of the toilet. What do you think?
Dude, that's sus.
Is it?
That is highly sus.
Why?
Don't.
Oh, actually smell that.
No.
Dude, smell it.
I'm good.
Just smell it.
Oh, it does kind of smell like that. And rubber.
So I'm thinking that right there is kind of the...
Oh yeah, it looks great.
Does it?
Yeah. It's like the most extreme form of platform shoes.
We could take these to the club.
What are you doing? Why do you look so guilty all the time?
Okay. Well, we cut this out of the last video that I drilled holes in, but man, I cut my finger real bad last time, so this time I'm gonna be real extra safe. If any of y'all are needing some really good, high quality skateboard shoes, brailleskateboarding.com, we got you. We got you covered. Ain't no thing, chicken wing. Oh, maybe I need to bring one of these. Let's go. We have built up quite a tool collection over the years, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
It's been a while since I've been building houses, Gabe. I love when we always have like 800 washers, but they're, you know, we have one job. Woo-wee. All the stuff we got in here. Exercise band, 4 different pairs of trucks on one truck, giant screws. And here we go. Maybe these will work. Might be onto something here. Okay, so we going like a washer like this. on the inside, and then we're going this side like that, and a nut. I'm just trying to walk you guys through it in case, you know, you're like, you know what I need to do today? Make a plunger shoes. Said nobody ever.
I love these shoe videos because they always have so much soul.
I was just trying to think about, like, what kind of pun could I come up with a shoe and poop? I guess that's it, huh?
When you're walking at the park and you step in dog poop.
Then you're ready to go. Please work. Look at that. Come on.
That's legit.
Tell me you wouldn't let me build your house. Oh yeah, this is about to be incredible. I guess these shoes are gonna be fine afterwards. What does it matter? You got 2 little holes? Oh!
That's right into an artery.
You ever just have one of those days where just everything just works out?
Yep.
Bill Nye the Science Guy, you got nothing on me. Actually, I'm kind of glad we used a brand new shoe because it's looking fire.
Chloe!
See what Chloe thinks.
Oh my gosh. Yes, we're doing that.
Could you say those shoes are taking the plunge?
They're really sticking with the plan.
Apparently Chloe has some problems in the bathroom. But it looks good, right?
Got nothing.
I think your ideas are clogged.
That's the other thing about Chloe, she'll laugh at anything. She's good to have at the club during your comedy routine.
Okay. Well, what the? Are you wearing the green socks?
Keep these socks, brother.
What is going on with you today?
Okay, I'm really scared of rolling my ankle in this, I ain't gonna lie. Listen to that. What, you don't like that sound?
No, I don't.
Why, it's good.
What's your most embarrassing story clogging the toilet?
Do I have an embarrassing clogged toilet story? I don't know if I get embarrassed by that. I might be proud.
Yeah, it is more of a pride thing, huh?
Oh!
No! Wait, what happened?
It pulled through. Okay, I know what we need.
Back to the drawing board. You need a bearing.
All that work just to watch your life flash before your eyes. Hey! For the first shot though, I'm surprised at how well that actually worked.
Yeah.
Plunger shoes, glass skateboard drop-in. That's gotta work, right?
If anything, it might pull through the shoe.
Oh yeah, true that. Okay, so go grab me 4 more of these big guys.
1 hour later.
Okay, after like a literal straight 5 hours, we have finally built the perfect plunger shoes. Now we have double washers on both sides. There is 100% no chance. Is that how you'd say that? There is 0 chance that these are going to pull through. There's 100% chance that these will work. And I've never been more excited in my whole entire life.
That kind of totality reminds me of that one day that resulted in that piece of wood on our ceiling.
I know, dang it. You know that company that made that bungee is no longer in existence?
Yeah, it's actually really terrible.
Look at that. I mean, is this also user stupidity?
Yeah?
I don't know if I go straight to the skateboard or...
Nah, take it for a run.
Oh yeah, it's not feeling good in the old toes.
Oh, that was a weird sound.
On the vert ramp is always the ultimate test.
Oh, you're getting bodied.
Dude, it
Just
works
run up it. Run up it. Oh.
Kickflip off. Okay, let's try something. In the name of science. Wow, how did that not work? Okay, okay.
Oh.
Maybe it's gotta be like a fast motion? I mean, this can pull poop out of your toilet from like 100 yards, but it can't pull a skateboard into the air?
Oh, no. Oh.
It's real dangerous.
Oh, dude, be careful.
We gotta do some tricks on it though. How do you, I can barely ollie.
Wow.
Yeah, I feel my ankles are just asking for it. There's no way.
Yeah.
Maybe a shove it though. Actually, cleaning my grip tape. Oh, I'm so scared of everything. Okay, watch yourself. Coming in hot.
You got to do the impact test. Like if you jump off of like the 3 stair, does it feel any softer?
I can tell you right now it doesn't. Because you know I have like hardware basically going to hardware, just going into the bottom of my feet. Oh. All I can think about is what's gonna happen when I just roll my ankle. Then I'm like at the doctor, well, I was making plunger shoes and then I rolled my ankle. They're like, what is wrong with you? Every time you come in here, you have something weird going on. Okay. The noises it makes. Oh! Count it? Yeah, you're right, let's get a better one. Wow! Oh boy!
You had some plunger drag on that one.
Okay, let's
back plunge.
Let's get a clean wipe. Dang it! I'm heel plunger drag. Look at my grip tape. It's getting marked up. All right, right here for Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch. Oh yeah. Boy! We're taking this downtown!
Next challenge, drop in, rock fake.
No, rock fakey. Just a drop in is gnarly.
How do you get up there? Oh, sketch.
I've never been more scared in my entire life. Okay, you ready? I got this. Yeah. Oh, boy! That was your challenge. Drop in, rock fakey.
I meant the mini ramp. Possible.
Think?
I think so, yeah.
No way.
It's there.
Think?
Yeah. You gotta get those legs up.
You think?
Just think if you land primo, at least the plunger somewhat gives you some padding.
No, if you land primo, you're dead. Should I just go for it?
Just go for
100%?
it, 100%? Yeah, 100%. If you land it right now, we'll go straight to your house, set up the stream, and play Elden Ring for the next 6 hours.
Serious?
Yeah.
It's going down then. I really need that. Oh, that hurts so bad. Literal snot came out of my nose and into my mouth. He'll do anything for Elden Ring. Oh my God.
Oh, subscribe, like, leave a comment below.
Ow. That hurts so bad. Now to make it worse, it's so cold in here.
Oh. I do not envy that fall right there.
I don't know I can commit again. Okay, I gotta get the technique, like, this skateboarding made simple volume 1 because look, like where are you dragging? I actually think I'm like pushing down kinda.
Oh yeah.
Okay, right here. It's just like extra effort on the knee. The reason why skateboarding made simple work so well is because you get the practice step and you're progressing all the time. So watch this. Skateboarding made simple volume 1. Kickflip, trick number 7. Let's go. Woo! I'm never doing that again.
I told you.
Elden Ring, Elden Ring. Ow, I think I just tweaked my ankle. Okay, well thank you for leaving the comment for the plunger shoes. You're absolute brilliant genius. Leave it in the comments below what video we should make next. Hope you guys had fun watching this. We had fun making it for you. You're the absolute best. We'll see you in the next video.